Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing chat history in Messenger using the Sync Now feature. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top of the screen. You may see an option called Sync Now. This feature automatically updates your chat history and recovers any missing messages. If you see it, great, you can tap it right away to start syncing. Tap on Sync Now if it's visible. Messenger will then start syncing all your chat history automatically in the background. In most cases, this simple step fixes the problem immediately. But if you don't see the option, that's okay. We have another method to ensure everything is updated. If Sync Now isn't showing, open the App Store or Play Store. Use the search bar and type Messenger to find the app. This helps you check if there's a pending update because sometimes missing messages happen due to an older version of the app. Keeping Messenger updated is always a good practice. Once the app page opens, look for the Update button. Tap it to update Messenger to the latest version. After updating, reopen the app. Now, your chat history should start syncing, and any missing messages will appear as they were before. This ensures your conversations are fully restored. And that's it. Now you know how to fix missing chat history in Messenger using Sync Now or by updating your app. It's simple, fast, and works almost every time. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below if your messages synced successfully.